Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream sauce, only way. Start by melting 2 tablespoons butter in a saucepan over medium heat and whisk in 2 tablespoons flour to form a light roux. Cook 1 to 2 minutes until bubbly and pale. Then slowly whisk in 1 cup warm heavy cream until smooth. Simmer gently until thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste and remove from heat. For flavor variations, try starting with aromatics like garlic or shallot in the butter. Then build the roux as usual and whisk in cream. Finish with grated cheese for richness or a splash of lemon for brightness, and always add herbs at the end to preserve freshness. Taste and adjust, seasoning slowly, and remember small additions of salt or acid transform the sauce without overpowering the base. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for following recipes anywhere thanks to its clear screen and long battery life, a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy browsing cookbooks on the go. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a sauce that lightly coats the back of a spoon. This indicates proper thickness and mouthfeel. If it tightens too much while cooling, stir in a splash of warm milk or stock to loosen without losing flavor. Serve the cream sauce immediately over pasta, steamed vegetables, seared fish, or roasted chicken, and garnish with freshly cracked pepper or a sprinkle of herbs to make the dish feel finished and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.